Hey guys, Adam Steele here. Welcome back to the Warehouse YouTube channel. Gonna jump back into this on the Howitzer Battle Press, the isolateral horizontal hip press that I created, and the new war machine to our additions here that I've all custom fabricated and designed myself on improving designs and creating new ones with best physics and ergonomics as well as physiological target and execution for how exercises should be performed and where they can be improved. And so with this one, some cool fun stuff. Why I designed it is kind of like the same with all the rest. I wanted one here at the Warehouse gym, so I built one myself. And it's super fun. I essentially took what's out there, like a lot of other things, how it works, and then wanted to improve it. And then creating like essentially the best way to effectively target isolaterally with your hips and legs and overall full compound movement of why I wanted to have such a large platform, how the offset weight and the full function design with the ergonomics of the seat and how you're able to function in the machine, exit and enter the machine, unlock and lock, re-rack, unrack weight, as well as the height of the plates with the tree and loading and all those things. And so I wanted to really dive into that to where when you're at the lowest position, depending on your height and foot placement, you're in a perfect neutral squat position as well as a standing. You're not overly extended with your toes and your ankle. You're not pushing from one of the others, and you'll have the ability to open the ankle with your leg by raising the angled platform on this and really targeting and pushing through your heels with your glutes and hamstrings. And so by doing that, I just kind of like prototyped it a lot together. A lot of us demoed it, and you can totally see the video right here, wherever we're gonna place it on this side. And you can see some of the fun demos of the early models, some of the framing construction I did. Mostly I worked on it at night, obviously, after my regular work. And then I just really wanted to, blast it. And it's been about a year since I created any war machines, well, probably more than a year. And so it was fun. I wanted to get back into it, and I've got about a half dozen more designs that I'm gonna be putting out the rest of this year, so it should be fun. And we'll have new, fun, awesome toys for everyone to try out here at the Warehouse. So yeah, best gym in San Diego, best gym anywhere and in the world here pretty soon. And we'll be hopefully coming to a city near you as fast as I can with new more machines, all right? So make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions and there's anything you wanna see on the Howitzer Battle Press, let me know and we'll be sure to get that out to you and make that content happen. It's gonna be really fun, so please don't hesitate. If you think you know everything, please comment and let me know what you think about this below. If you think you know better, I want you to come try it. I invite you to the Warehouse gym to come check this out. Please, before you can be mystified, you gotta check this out. Whether it's a mystery or a marvel, we'll sort it out. But I'll tell you right now, one of the best hitting leg presses there are in the industry, guaranteed. All right, you guys, see you.